Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys doing wonderful. Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you a little of how I get things done. Alright, stay with me. What I'm gonna do, let me show you how I do it. Less talking, just action. This is a butternut squash. Alright, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take all the seeds. Alright. Alright, so I have my butternut squash to eat and I have my seeds. Alright, so let's go. So now I ain't got to buy butternut squash seed. I have my own seed here. Let's go with the spaghetti now. This one ain't trying to open, giving me a run for my money here. All right. All right, guys. It was a really tough fight, but guess what? I'm still able to get my seed. So I'm getting my seed from it. You see how much seed we have here? So much seed. And this squash is very good to plant because you could get a lot of food from them and they're very easy to store. So now we have butternut squash seed. Just like this, we have seed that we could plant this season. All right, so now we have butternut and we have spaghetti. All right, my hands is dirty right now, guys, but bear with me, all right? Guess what we're gonna do now? We're going to take this tomato and we're going to bust it down. And what we're going to do, we're going to find all the seeds. You see the seeds? We're going to take all the seeds and scrape them out. All the seeds. And scrape them out from up inside there. All the seeds. All that is seeds up inside there. Just like this, guys. We're going to save all these tomato seeds from up in here. Now, with these tomato seeds, we have butternut, we have spaghetti, and we have tomato seed. What we're going to do with these tomato seeds, we're going to put them in the soil. So we ain't going to dry in this soil. Right there, this soil right there. So now all we do, we just mark it out. We take our finger, mark it out, and guess what? We take these tomato seeds and we just place them right inside here. Okay, and we just place them right inside there. So now we ain't trying to put no seed to dry and these kind of stuff. all we doing, what we do now, we take some soil and we cover them. We cover them. So just like that, we set some tomato seed. So we have butternut. So we have butternut seeds and we have spaghetti. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Peace.